Hi, to enter recovery mode on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, we will need to trigger the power off menu first. And for that, find the power button on the right side and volume up buttons which you need to press and hold till you can see this power off screen. Now, simply swipe up to power off your phone, and when it will be completely turned off, you will need to hold again power button and volume up button till you see the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, and after that you will need to release the power button but continue holding volume up one. And now we are waiting a couple of seconds, and here is the recovery mode. So we got three options here: reboot, wipe data, and connect with Mi Assistant. So if you got some troubles with the phone, you can select the third option. If you want to perform factory reset but you forgot your phone's password, you can select the second one. And to simply restart the phone, just select the first option. To go through the menu, use volume down or volume up buttons, and to confirm your choice, just use the power button. In this video, I'm gonna make simple reboot, so let's select this option. And here we need to select reboot to system. And now the phone will turn off, and after a few seconds it will turn on again and you'll be able to use it like you would normally do. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.